So for years I had always felt this sort of out of place feeling because I could never relate to anyone on energy and how to explain that to someone. And coming to the workshop today, to have someone who has the medical background to explain that you can use this light for healing really, how you had said, resonated within me. And I made the connections of how when you have these rings, it's not just you're looking at something, it's overlapping and you have these connections, and it was really moving. I completely felt the energy, and it really lifted this feeling of not being able to connect, and I had the ability to do so through this workshop today. So thank you for that.